I, Dr. Clifford Walter, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance
to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And I've said that leadership can make or can mar. Leadership can bring about progress and leadership can bring about setback. Unfortunately, the leadership of the then leadership of the Nigerian government was very hostile to the government. And so we felt that we had to wait a bit for a while. Now that we have a leadership that's willing to work with government, all those things now will be a thing of the past. So you have to immediately start the promotion of our civil servants. Immediately. And compute the financial implication of that promotion. All levels of civil service, all. No one should be discriminated against. And then we must set up the necessary machinery for the immediate employment of our teeming youth. This should be done within the next 1 month. Everything is concluded. So, but let me warn you, and I've always said so. It is not for you to use to witch hunt anybody. One of the things I found out, I know people are looking for employment, but it must be done and done thoroughly well. And every local government must benefit from it because it is employment to the civil service. It's not employment to companies. No, it's civil service. You have to write as quickly as possible to the various ministries to know the manpower requirement. And that should not take you more than 1 week to have finished. Every new ministry that does not submit, then the ministry does not want any employment.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.